Hey, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to factory reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro. The process is the same for both devices. You may want to reset your AirPods if one of them is not charging, not working properly, if you're facing echo issues with one or both of the AirPods, or if there are any other problems with AirPods which cannot be solved by charging them or simply putting them back in the case and taking them out. So first of all, on the back of your AirPods case, you'll see this white button. It's the same both for just AirPods and AirPods Pro. So now what you have to do, make sure that your AirPods case is open, both of the AirPods are inside the case, and then you have to click on that button at the back and hold it pressed for around 15 seconds until it starts blinking red. So let's do it. And now there's the red color or the orange color. And if you take a look at our phone, you'll see the request for connection for the AirPods. It means you have reset them completely. I hope this AirPods factory reset guide was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit like button so more people would see this guide as well.